Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. We'll continue to look at Nvidia, what it's doing. So first of all, let's just take a look at the daily chart of Nvidia. As you can see, Nvidia has already dropped below the 20 MA, which is something that I usually do not like to see. Yesterday it formed a small topping tail. So let us go to the 15-minute chart and see the breakdown of what is happening. Alright, sorry about my connection, a bit slow. Alright, we can see how the stock gap lower, then went up from a rounded kind of top, drop, again found from a rounded kind of top and decline. So it went up higher, but it failed to close higher, but close at the lows here to form a small bottoming tail in the daily chart. It is still below the 15-minute 200 MA, so it's not very strong for day trading to the bullish side or overnight holds, right? So this is the 5-minute chart. You can see that it gapped down, moved up, and then it formed kind of double top here, if you can see, and that is when the weakness start to happen. So double top pattern that appear in 5-minute charts are tradable, and they often warn of a decline as well. The moment it drops below this middle here, so there are two topping tails here hinting that it refused to go higher than a red bar, and then it drops below this middle of the double top, and then it declines. Of course, it tried to form a higher low, two dojis here, signaling that the bearish momentum is slowing down. It rise again, also form a mini double top here. Okay, if you can see it, mini double top. All right. And what was once the support becomes a resistance area around here. You can see when it dropped below this support area, the support area becomes a resistance, and the double top, mini double top form. And when it also break above an uptrend line and below the 20 MA and 50 MA, that's when the decline towards the close happens. So all these are tradable patterns. For example, two dojis here is a bullish reversal trade, drop below uptrend line, and the double top is a tradable trade towards the close. Here is also can be a quick trade when you short here, put stop loss above the topping tails and ride it until you see the doji here. So interesting day trades. So let's go back to the daily chart of Nvidia. Alright, just bear with me as my internet connection is a bit slow. So right now it is below the 20 MA, something which I usually do not like to see in strong trending stocks, but it has not dropped below this support area, which means we can just treat it as a consolidation. Hopefully, as the days go by, it will continue to stay above this support area and then form a continuation pattern for it to break out. Let's see if it can form an ascending triangle in the future. Well, we do not know. This is just we just project it. Maybe it might drop to lower here and move up, bounce and break out higher, by May. So 60-minute chart wise, it is trying to go back above the 20 MA. Usually I do not advise or like to do overnight trades if it's below the 20 MA. So you still have to be a bit patient, right? You could say maybe it might form a small ascending triangle bottom, right? If it drops below this uptrend line, you might meet the 200 MA in the 60-minute chart. If it breaks out above here, then we might see a rise. Okay, but what is important for us is to see it. It is trying to break above a 60-minute downtrend line, which shows some strength. Okay, there's support here at the 200 MA and a support here in the price level as well, and it's an area which you want to look at. Let's go back to the daily chart. Alright, so this stock is, I wouldn't say the uptrend has ended. We are still in a consolidation phase, and hopefully another base form. This is where a large base form in Nvidia. Then the longer the base, the greater the breakout. Okay, this is a long base here. Alright, and you can see after the breakout of the base, the stock rose a lot. So at this moment, it is very difficult to trade, especially if it's in a base. You need to go out and up, go out, go in fast. So this kind of environment, you have to be patient. The best places to trade for trend following is a breakout above consolidation, which is about here, and it rises. And of course, sometimes you can see a pattern develop. This is a ascending triangle, and it's tradable, where you buy the breakout, put a stop loss here or here, and when the 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA is rising, you can be sure that there's a very nice move, right? So from 500 to about 900, 970 plus. Okay, so maybe we will see another consolidation, sideways trading. I don't know. All right, you have to be patient. Okay, it's nothing bad. If it consolidate, let it be. Let it consolidate. You might consolidate a month, 2 months, 3 months, and in this case here, it took a long time. But if it does not fall below the support or the 550 MA, longer the consolidation, it sets up a nice base, and the next will go above 1,000 and so on. So some analysts says it's going to go 1,003, 1,005. Yeah, I believe so. If there is consolidation, the longer the consolidation resting period, the better it is. So my viewers, thank you for viewing and listening to the end. If you find this helpful, please like and share this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one.